This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marleen Ayton. Attention investors, this is a rare opportunity to purchase a Boca Raton 3-bedroom 2-bathroom detached single-family home with 1-car garage in need of a complete renovation. Situated on a generous-sized water lot, this home is priced to sell and sold in as is condition.cash only. Buyers low maintenance, $559.32 paid annually and 2024 property taxes $2,039. Act quickly as it will not last. For more information, review the details below.